Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone and notifications on your phone. Go to applications, go to settings, go to sound, and go to the phone ringtone. Then there's the ringtones that you can select. Select one of these ringtones to see what it is and see what happens. I like this one. Now we go to the ringtones for your notifications. Select these notifications on your phone. Once you're done, hit OK or hit cancelled. I like it. Pixie dust. Thank you for watching. Make sure you give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel on YouTube channel on one of our videos.